Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a warranty repair with us in the shop. And this machine had originally came in for quite a few repairs and then had a few issues here and there when the customer did pick it up. And so we just went around and fixed a few things. One being that the the water distribution plate that's under your group head shower screen, we put a brand new one in there. Also, what we did is a complete overhaul once again on the machine. Now, it was originally had an overhaul on the machine, but we did do another one. Brand new camshaft, brand new gaskets, brand new top valve, bottom valve, even the lower valve. Also, we put a new lever on there. As you can see, this one has a little bit of damage. Put a brand new one on there. Also, we replaced the brew switch. The brew switch, mainly, this is the part of the machine that usually when your machine pops, like the frame feels like it's popping. When you pull that lever, it's usually the brew switch. So we just replaced the brew switch with a newer rotary type of switch. So it has a little circle that spins instead of just a round button. And that was actually recommended by Rocket themselves to do. And one of the main issues when it was taken was the fact that when you hit the water will drop outside the tray. And as you can see, when we turn it on, going straight down like normal. And now we're going to brew a shot. Now don't worry if this runs a little too fast or a little too slow. I didn't calibrate a grinder to this machine at all. You'll see it's going to run a little fast because it's not coarse enough, but we are brewing at 9 bars, kind of 10 bars, and yeah, we're just going to let that run. I'm going to turn it off, take this off, and once you go to clean the shower head, go straight into the tray. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.